I started noticing their individual personalities. That's when the mine and thine, like my son would draw a line in the room. You don't have to cross the space. And I discovered that my son is very neat and clean and spick and span, and my daughter is the absolute opposite. Like she's messy, she doesn't keep her things in space, she likes to come play with them, then leave them behind. She trusts Mama will come and set them up.
I can see Prakati laughing. You went through the same thing. 7-year difference, right? How was it?
It was difficult
Why difficult?
because I was alone for 7 years and I had all my parents' attention to myself. And then suddenly she came into the picture and everything changed because I had to make accommodations for her that I didn't have to do before, and I had to work my way around having another person in the house.
Do we have a favorite as a parent? I want to ask.
I definitely feel my husband prefers my son more. He sees himself in his child, his looks, his attitude, his behavior. So he kind of pampers, and he wouldn't scold my son. Also, my son is slightly aggressive, so he doesn't. But my daughter is the sweet one, the loving one, and she would be. If he needs to say something to her, he'd tell her. And I personally feel that he ignores the daughter and prefers the son.
Prakriti, do you feel parents prefer one child over the other? Whom do they prefer? You. Why? Because you're the elder one.
Yeah.
Great.
My son also said the same thing. He tells my daughter, I'm the preferred child. Daddy likes me more. And he will recount, do you remember that time when Daddy came home and he said this and he didn't say anything to you? So that's his tool to kind of dominate over her or whatever.
Your child actually accuses you that you prefer the other child more than me. And your son can do that.
And he does that now. He does that now. Because I speak to her more probably. So I try not to get upset about it. I try to see where it's coming from. Instantly, like I try not to react too much. If he's angry, then I just try to ignore and try to see, okay, what is it that you want right now? Let me know. But later on, it's very difficult to talk to him straight on the face, especially when he's angry. So, but when he is like sitting in his room playing PlayStation, then I go relax about it.
What kind of relationship you have with your sister?
It's kind of changed over the years because in the beginning I used to just resent the fact that she was there. Now I've become more used to it because I like her and I'm protective of her and we hang out together.
What are the reasons for fight?
The only thing I can think of is parents' attention. I don't like it when they don't take my side when I'm arguing with her. I don't think anybody likes it when people disagree.
Why do they fight?
My son used to bring home a lot of accolades. He used to bring in medals and he used to bring in